Hey! Welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to reset Mozilla Firefox to default settings. If you have any issues with Firefox, reset to default settings might help you to fix it and keep all your important data, such as bookmarks, passwords, or open tabs. Firefox keeps all the data in a profile folder. The reset option creates a new folder and imports all your data in there. This data includes history and downloads, passwords, open windows and tabs, cookies, auto-saved forms, personalized dictionary. So now, let's get to work. Open Mozilla Firefox. Click on the three stripes in the upper right corner and choose Help. Click on Troubleshooting Information. Click on Refresh Firefox button in the top right corner of the window. Confirm your choice and click Refresh Firefox. You will get a pop-up window when it's done. Click Finish. The app will restart. If you have had any windows open, you will get an option to restore it. Check the option you prefer and click Let's Go. Enjoy! Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.